Hello, classmates and tutor. I am Ana Maria Yate Vera. I am 36 years old. I am from Chaparral, Tolima. I study industrial engineering. My room number is 41. This is my travel experience. I will be on vacation next June. I'm going to Cartagena. I'm going to stay in the hotel near the sea. My two sons are going to travel with me. First, we are planning going to visit the old world city. And on the other days, we will go to the sea in the morning. I will spend 4 million pesos. Finally, I am going to buy shares for my parents and some key chains for my friend from my vacation.